Now, the R1.5 billion rand claim against Aurora Empowerment Systems is in the spotlight today. Former Aurora director Khulubuse Zuma appears in the Pretoria High Court to have the claim set aside. Zuma's court bid could derail liquidators of the Pamodzi gold mine from holding Aurora's directors responsible for asset stripping the mine. Aurora had been appointed in 2009 by the liquidators to manage the Pamodzi mines in Orkney and Springs. Aurora, however, allegedly stripped the mines of infrastructure and also left hundreds of mine employees without pay and subsequently destitute. Now, Mbongeni Muthwa is at the Pretoria High Court. He joins me now on the line. Mbongeni, good afternoon. What is the latest at the court?
Well, Devin, the latest is that the hearing is very much underway. It got underway in the last half an hour or so. Khulubuse Zuma is not in court. His lawyers are in court arguing on his behalf. Interestingly, also, the case is very significant because Zolinzi Mavavi, the Chancellor of COSATU, has also made an appearance here, opting not to go to the COSATU CEC meeting and come here to hear what happened. In short, Khulubuse is arguing that the hearing that has been set down for the 23rd of March, where the liquidators and the master of the High Court are going to argue that him and the four other directors, former directors of Aurora, should be held liable to pay that one. In fact, his lawyers say the bill is actually 1.7 billion. They say that they've found that, in fact, Khulubuse never benefited in any way from the alleged transgressions that took place at the mine, the asset stripping, the illegal selling of gold. They say, in fact, a hearing by the Master of the High Court in 2012 found him not to have benefited in any way, but still recommended that he be held liable along with the other directors, because the director, they say that can be so. In fact, they say that Khulubuse is owed about 35 million, is one of the creditors of Aurora, because he pitched in with about 35 million rands of his own money to fund Aurora. And the lawyers on the other side of the liquidators and the master arguing that Khulubuse is just trying to derail the hearing of the 23rd by bringing this application and is abusing the court process, because the arguments that he's making now, he is well within his right to make those arguments in the 23rd application. So the stakes are high. The judgment is expected to be issued later today by the judge or tomorrow.
All right, we'll keep our eye on that court case at the Pretoria High Court. Now, more business news coming up after the break. Do stay with us.